Welcome to the Marketing Leadership Masterclass. Now, this course is simply our 6-week in-class workshop condensed down into nearly 200 online videos. Now, there are a number of reasons why we believe that this online course is increasingly important for the modern marketer. Now, as you may know, currently in the world of marketing, there is a plethora, thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of great tutorials and courses teaching the modern marketer the how of marketing, how to perform marketing tasks like how to create the perfect LinkedIn ad, or how to create the perfect landing page, or webinar, or blog post, or paid ad, right? You've seen these type of tutorials and courses. However, it is a rare day when you come across a course that teaches you the why of marketing or when to perform certain marketing activities. And yet these are the very questions that a marketing leader must ask. It's not enough anymore for a leader to know how to perform a basic or even advanced marketing activities because, as you know, you can just hire a freelancer or an employer or an agency to take care of that. Rather, a marketing leader must know why you post to social or start paid advertising, when to focus on one marketing channel over another, or even when to focus on conversion rate optimization versus search engine optimization. A leader knows the why and the when, not just the how. But the second reason why I believe this course is increasingly important is that in my experience, I have found a number of leaders in business today either went to school or got their experience before the internet and digital marketing were even around. And many of these same leaders are looking to rapidly upskill and progress their knowledge of modern marketing because, as they are quickly finding out, and as you may know, yesterday's techniques often don't work in today's digitally connected, digitally centered, highly competitive landscape. Which brings us to this course. This course is separated into 6 different marketing sessions with well over 17 hours of lessons and interactive homework, each tackling a necessary and fundamental aspect of marketing that today's modern marketing leader needs to know. Now, I want to reiterate this one point, and that is the purpose of this course. My primary goal is to see you succeed. That's why this course is being updated on a regular basis with the latest information, because I want to ensure that you have everything you need to be successful in today's competitive marketing and business world. So, without further ado, I will see you in the coming lessons.